Hey YouTube, we have a unique opportunity. This is a 458 we sold, and
Kent, if you're watching.
Kent, if you're watching, thanks for being patient. Anyway, we sold it, and we had to do some service work to it before the new owner gets it. And unfortunately, there was a slight accident, and the windshield cracked.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Yeah, there you go. It's kind of hard to see. There's a crack. Well,
Here's the new windshield.
yeah, there's the OEM Ferrari windshield with the little horsey on it, so we had to make sure we got that. Let's test the durability of a Ferrari windshield. I'm just gonna give it a little hit right here. Oh, that hurt. Ow!
Now you know how the bug feels.
Yeah, jeez. All right, let's try it again. I'm trying to get this. The crack's right there. Here, I'll put a little. There's my little line. All right, ready? I'm gonna hurt my fist again. Ah, oh, it cracked over here. Dude, check that out. I cracked that, but didn't crack there. You wanna give it a try? It hurts. It's really solid.
Sure it does.
Ow. Oh! I'm just a wuss.
You loosened it for him.
I am all that is man.
You weakened it for him.
That was all me. Good job, Adam. Anyway, it's not too often you get to do that stuff, so why not? Oh, Adam got a boo-boo breaking the windshield.
But I'm a man.
I mean, that is a legit crack. Good job. We got... Oh, now it cracked easy. I didn't have to barely go.
I'm gonna make it run. I'll need a vacuum cleaner here.
Yeah. I don't want to go too nuts because I don't want like the shards breaking apart. But yeah, look at that. Now you could just... Oh yeah.
Once that integrity is gone.
Yeah, now it's just hosed. Actually, that's my problem is I was using my right hand. I'm a lefty. Oh, dude, look at that. That crack's really cool. I could be entertained with this all day.
I can bring you by windshield. You can smash them away if you want.
Oh, man. All right. I'm not going to hit that hard.
Let me get the vacuum cleaner.
Oh, there. Oh, yeah. That's pretty. That's
You know,
pretty.
it's really fun to try that.
Oh!
Use that hammer on the hook.
No, yeah, right.
I mean, hey, you really want to talk fun now.
Yeah, right. Oh, man. That's kind of entertaining. Oh, yeah. It's totally destroyed now where it just takes no effort.
You know,